Hi and welcome back. I hope you're all well and keeping safe during the lockdown. If you haven't seen my other videos, I'm Jenny, and today I'm going to be showing you a super easy hair tutorial on how to get your hair from this to this. So during today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this hairstyle in 5 easy steps and in, hopefully, if everything goes to plan, under 5 minutes. So I'm going to be timing myself today so you can see exactly how long it takes me, so there's definitely no trickery going on. So if you are the type of person who never knows what to do with the hair, you're always running late, your hair's always shoved up in a bun, then this is definitely the tutorial for you. So if that sounds like you, stick around and I will show you how. So this hairstyle can be split up into 5 steps. So step 1 would be creating the bubble. I'm going to show you how to do that at the end of the video on my dolly head so it's a lot clearer. So after you've created your bubbles, you just split your hair into 2 pigtails. After you've got your hair into the pigtails, you then split your hair into preferably about 3 or 4 strands. It depends how curly you want your hair and obviously how thick your hair is as well. If you've got quite thick hair, then maybe 4 to 5 strands. If you want your hair quite curly, 4 to 5 strands again. If you just want those loose curls, like you haven't really done your hair, you've just woken up looking this fabulous, then maybe about 3 strands. So after you've then curled both pigtails, step 4 would be then taking out your bubbles. The reason I've shown you how to fashion your hair this way is because you don't need to pull the bubbles down over the curls, so you keep them intact. And step 5 would be to fluff out the curls. Just run your fingers through the curls to separate them. If you do have slightly frizzier hair and you just want to smooth those curls out, you can just use a smoothing serum. The one I have used I will list at the bottom in the description as well. So I'm just going to show you how to create the bubble. So you take your normal bubble and 2 bobby pins. And you just attach them so they're at opposite ends, like so. So you need 2 of those. So you're just going to roughly just separate the hair into 2. Okay, so you're going to hold the pigtail in one hand. Take your bobby pin and you're going to place this right in the middle at the top. You can hold this in place by just popping your thumb over the top. Now with the bubble, I want you to wrap it round. So you're just going to wrap it round the pigtail, just as tight as it will go. And then when you feel it's as tight as it will go, you basically just pop the bobby pin up into the hair, like so. So that is now super secure. Now you do exactly the same on the other side. And there we go, doing it that way just ensures that the bubbles are super tight. So now I'm going to time myself to see how long it actually does take me. So like I said, I am hoping this will be under 5 minutes if everything does go to plan. So here we go. So now I'm going to be popping the bubbles in. The higher up you go with your bubbles, the higher your curls will be. So I'm not going to put the bubbles too tight just because I don't want a line in my hair from the bubble. I'm going to split my hair up into 4 sections and curl those. So now when you've finished curling all your hair, you just need to take your bobbles out. There we go. Ooh, 5 minutes, 8 seconds. Well, I did say 5 minutes or thereabouts. So now all you need to do is just fluff your curls out. So I've got front fringe bits here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over and curl these separately. So obviously these were in the pigtails. You can have a little look through. I mean, if you've missed any little bits or you just want them a little bit curlier, you can just get a few ones now and just go over any little bits. I know a lot of people do like the hair maybe a little bit curly around the front of the face rather than they do at the back. Just personal preference. There you go. Run my fingers through it. And then you can also, if you want to, if you do something slightly fluffier, frizzy hair, you can always just get some smoothing serum and pop that through the curls. There you have it. How quick and easy was that? Pretty much 5 minutes. So if you're running late for work or whatever, there you go, just do this hairstyle and off you go. So that is it for today's video. That is how you create a quick but pretty hairstyle. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video then please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I do have more amazing videos coming out soon. Thank you, and I will see you all soon.